What if your greatest setback is actually the perfect opportunity to reinvent yourself? Think about it. Every time life knocks you down, whether it's a job loss, a failed relationship, or a missed opportunity, you're left with a blank canvas. That moment of defeat can be the catalyst for your greatest success. Take a moment to reframe your story. Instead of saying, "I failed," say, "I learned." Those lessons are the seeds of your reinvention. Remember Samuel L. Jackson, got his big Hollywood break at 43, or Toni Morrison, published her first novel at 39 and won a Pulitzer Prize at 56. They remind us that it's not about when you start, it's about starting at all. So, give yourself permission to take small steps. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and ditch the comparison game. Your journey is uniquely yours. Prioritize your mental and physical well-being because reinvention requires energy. The next time you face a setback, embrace it. It might just be the detour that leads you exactly where you need to be. Please comment below, subscribe, like, and share this video if you found the content inspirational.